Hey folks, today I'm going to talk to you about courage. Like many of you, I too have been watching the Twitter feed, the newscasts, listening to the office talk, and there's lots of unsettling talk about coronavirus. There's no doubt in my mind that these are trying times and they're sometimes a little bit scary. And the more questions I ask, the more answers I do not have. And the more answers I don't have, the more uncertainty and fear starts to come and overwhelm me and grip me. And if I'm not careful, I can let that fear debilitate me. When fear runs amok, we don't always become the best version of ourselves. And it's important that we know how to manage that fear. And one of the things that I use to manage it is the skill of courage. And I use courage intentionally because courage is not the absence of fear. Courage is what will help us walk through fear. And one way to grow our courage is to make sure that we can operate in the space of uncomfortableness. What do I mean by that? I mean that we need to make sure that we put ourselves in spaces where we don't always want to be. And then we practice and focus on the positive self-talk that will help us get through there. There will be a voice that will tell you you want to quit. You got to get past that voice and say, you can. Yes, I got this. Remember, it's okay to be afraid. Walk through it courageously. The second thing I use is about persistence. Because if you're willing to continue to get yourself up one more time than you've fallen down, or as Ralph Waldo Emerson says, a hero is no different than an ordinary man. A hero is just braver 5 minutes longer. That connects to being uncomfortable because you just need to stay in that space a little longer. And third and finally about courage is you have to surround yourself with a community. We know that emotion is contagious. We can feed off each other's fears, but we can also feed off each other's love and support. Invest in the people who matter to you. Invest in the people that you know care about you and support you unconditionally, and they will fuel your courage. Stay well out there, folks. And remember, take care of each other and practice courage.